If you or anyone you know does faceless portraits, send them my way. I've got something for them. I wanted to let you know about my new class on Skillshare. I'm sure you've seen a lot of those minimalist digital portraits where people bring a photograph into Procreate or into any other app and then they trace the lines and sort of color them in. I'm doing a tutorial on how to do that better. So it's more of a complete design. I'm seeing a lot of faceless portraits. It's cool for some, but it's not cool if you just aren't sure how to get those lines right and how to do that right. So that's what I'm going to teach in my new Skillshare class. Use my link. It'll help me out, and hopefully the tutorial will help you out too. The tutorial. There's always one bit that I mess up on. But anyway, I'll see you over on Skillshare. Alright, so getting started. Let me just make sure you have a few things so you're all set up so we can work this out together. That doesn't make any sense. Alright, getting started. Let me make sure you have, oh my god, the cat down. Then you don't have any streamline. So basically it'll do, that's the worst shape I could draw. So even though it may seem like tracing a photograph is easy, or just tracing in general is easy, I'm going to show you the art of tracing. I'm going to show you how to make even, and that sort of implies that the clothes have shape to it. The lines, you're making line art, so I got distracted. Keep an eye out for that on my YouTube channel. Alright, see you next one. See you next one. See you in the next one. I don't talk well sometimes. Everything. We're going to get into it, and so I'm going to show you everything. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know to make your art the best that it can be. Alright, so let's get started. Let me stop this.